It's a fact. Our everyday lives revolve around power. And usually at the worst possible time, your cell phone dies. Computers run low. Tablets and technology run out of juice. And when you least expect it, your battery is dead. Tires are flat. Equipment is deflated, leaving you stranded, frustrated, and on edge. Not anymore. Now you can power up, charge up, and pump up anytime, anywhere. Introducing the revolutionary SmartTech Power Kit. This amazing portable power pack is a dependable power source that instantly charges your cell phone. Powerful enough to charge and bring your computer, tablet, and all your technology back to life again. A 12-volt power source to bring comfort just about anywhere. It's also a powerful 500-amp jump starter that will fire up your motorcycles, cars, vans, SUVs, trucks, RVs, and boats. That's not all. It's also a rugged 150 PSI air pump that pumps up pool toys, sports equipment, bike tires, motorcycles, cars, trucks, and even transport trucks. And look at this. It's also a powerful flashlight with solid emergency flashing and SOS functions all built in. And it's so compact, it stores anywhere, so you can use it everywhere. The secret to the SmartTech Power Kit is our unique smart technology that allows the 12,000 milliamp lithium-ion battery to be sustained for well over a year, providing all of your jumping, pumping, and charging needs. No more hassles with long, tangled cables, losing power when you need it most, or being tethered to a wall waiting to charge up. No more stranded with a dead battery ever again. Because with SmartTech, you always have car starting power right at your fingertips, so you and your loved ones are always safe. SmartTech is so advanced, it protects you from shock or sparking, thanks to the SmartTech Power Kit's built-in circuitry protection. The Power Kit even lets you know if you've accidentally reversed the cable, so there's no guessing.